Antonio Conte was livid with Ross Barkley before he'd even stepped on the pitch last night. Barkley, a £15 million signing from Everton earlier this month, returned to first-team action after a lengthy absence when he replaced the injured Willian in the first half. The Chelsea No.8 seconds last game was incidentally against the Gunners at the Emirates for Everton in the final game of the 2016-17, and he was called upon around 30 minutes into the game. With Willian suffering a hamstring injury, it meant Barkley had to get ready quick time and enter the fray. But his manager, Conte, was absolutely fuming at him, deeming the England international to have taken too long to warm up. Not the best start to life at Chelsea for Barkley, who tried to get on the ball and make things happen, but looked a little rusty. He got a lot of stick on social media for his display. Conte was asked about Barkley's performance after the 2-1 defeat and said the 24-year-old has a lot to improve on. When there is an injury to one of your best players, it is not simple, especially when on the bench the only substitute is Ross Barkley, he told Sky Sports via BBC. Barkley has a lot of space for improvement. He is working with us only 2 weeks, but for sure today I was forced to make this substitution, but he can improve a lot. Surely it's unfair to write him off after one game? Will Barkley come good at Chelsea? Sound off in the comments.